Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com London Forex trading session. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course. I also use different Forex day trading systems, and if you are interested you can check out the Forex day trading systems course on my website. So if you are interested to make money in Forex trading, visit ReadyForex.com. If you have any questions, there are different ways to contact me. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, let us take a look at US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. At this point in time, I have placed sell stop pending order inside US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. This is the 1 hour time frame. So the way I see market is probably going to rise up, and we got this bullish leg. Okay, now I expect a new low in price action of US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. So I'm waiting for price action to fill the sell stop pending order. Okay, let us start the market analysis. I'm going to check out different time frames, different currency. This is my custom designed technical indicator radar screen, and this dashboard basically helps me to quickly display what is going on in different currency pairs and different time frames. Out of many custom technical indicators that I use, this is one of them. It is only available for my students. Okay, let's start with the euro dollar currency pair, and I'm going to first look at the daily time frame. So go to the daily chart over here. Okay, Euro USD daily time frame. Price action is most likely trying to rise up over here in euro dollar currency pair, and I do expect a top. However, the way I see market is probably going to rise up more. Then we might see a top dollar currency pair. If you check out the 4 hour time frame, the forecast is bullish inside euro USD currency pair. Okay, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is also suggesting a potential sell trade plan, and first I'm waiting for a price action to go up here. Then I expect a top and a drop. So somewhere around this area, if price action is going to hit this level, then I'm going to look for a potential sell trade setup over here. Use your own day trading strategies to trade the market. If you do not have day trading strategy, you can check out my website. Next, let's take a look at euro dollar, and I'm going to present an alternative Elliott wave count. An alternative count, also known as Plan B, suggests that euro dollar currency pair is most likely going to move sideways. Okay, and market is just going to move sideways and then expect further upside in euro USD currency pair. So this is the forecast. If we go over to a smaller time frame, like a 15 minutes time frame, it seems to me price action is trying to move sideways over here. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Let's see what's going on. The GBPUSD is actually trying to rise up. Let me go back to the screen. Let us take a look at US dollar index. So US dollar index price action is probably going to drop more. We have a support down over here, and this support area is basically that's the level. This color highlighted suggests that we might get a bullish leg over here. So I'm basically waiting for the price action to drop a little bit more first in the DX, and then I expect a bullish leg. This is the 4-hour time frame. So how far market is probably going to drop? Around 0.678% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so this is the DX, and I have mentioned the level as well, 0.618. The value is 97.87. This is the alternative Elliot Wave count, also known as Plan B, in US dollar index, which suggests price action is not going to stop over here, and it's probably going to print a new low. Next one is the pound GBPUSD pair, currency pair, right over here. I think it's going to rise up more, and same like the euro, same like the Aussie dollar and NZDUSD pair, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So let me show you a 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour chart, and you can notice that price action basically bounce from this green color highlighted area. This is where we got the support right over here, and then market rallies back up. So right up there we have a sell plan. Use your own day trading strategies to look for a potential sell trade setup over here. The general idea is that market is going to rise up, and once price action is going to hit this red color area, the sell zone over here, then expect some sort of a top and a drop in price action of GBPUSD currency pair. So even in 15 minutes time frame, you just notice this thing. The price just keep printing higher, swing highs, and higher, swing lows. So long-term basis, obviously the trend is up as well. If you check out the rainbow, it's also bullish, and this is telling me that market wants to go up even further. 1 hour is also it's almost bullish. We're getting a crossover with the rainbow. Let's go back to the original chart. So the trend is up over here, and it's going to remain up as long as price action is staying above this area. Let me change the color. Okay, so this is the support in 1 hour chart of GBPUSD currency pair, and as long as price action keep printing this higher swing highs and higher swing lows pattern, it's an uptrend. Next one is the Aussie dollar currency pair. Last week I told you guys that this breakout is probably going to fail, and this is what exactly happened. We got a drop in price action and then market rallied back up. Now a good idea is to basically look for some sort of a sell trade setup right around this area. This is the zone right over here, and it's a little bit away from 0.618 level. So let me see, I think we have 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level right up there. Currently price action is finding support at 0.32%. So this is 0.786 fib level. Let me adjust it. So right over here, this is the area. So if we get further upside in Aussie dollar currency pair, then wait for the price action to show some sort of a reaction right up there. Then the chances are high that price action is going to drop in AUDUSD currency pair. So for the time being, this reaction or this retracement is going on, and I expect a deeper pullback, and it's quite possible that market is going to rise up more. The trend is up, by the way, in 4 hour as well as in 1 hour time frame. However, this is the resistance area, which is probably going to provide us a nice push to the downside. So here's the forecast in terms of Elliot wave. The first leg is known as wave A over here, and then this is going to be wave B. After wave B, expect a top and a drop, which is going to be wave C. In my humble opinion, it's probably a zigzag corrective Elliott wave pattern. So this is the forecast for the Aussie dollar, Australian dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. Okay, I'm waiting for more bullish upside first, and probably on Monday, the coming Monday or Tuesday, market is going to probably print a top. Use your own day trading strategies to try to short the Aussie dollar currency pair. Okay, next one is the NZDUSD. Same story. NZDUSD currency pair, the way I see market is probably going to rise up more over here. 4 hour, same story, price action is rising up. We might get a deeper pullback, like the way I'm expecting a deeper pullback in AUDUSD currency pair. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. Swiss franc is basically finding support at 0.8054 area right over here. And if you remember, this was the support. Let me change the color of this arrow. So this was the support down over here, where number 3 is written, and market again provided support over here as well. So 2 times we got this support, and once market manages to break below this support area, then the same level start working as a resistance. So let me change the color. So again, price action is testing the same level, 0.8052 level. So it's quite possible that we're going to get a sideways price action, maybe one push to the upside. Now, if USD Swiss franc is going to rise up, then obviously euro dollar is going to drop. So far, I'm looking for a sell trade setup as well inside US dollar Swiss franc, which suggests that price action is probably going to hit this red color highlighted area. If we get a breakout above this level, then price action is going to rise up more. Okay, so this is a make or break it type area, a critical level. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. The USD Swiss franc is actually, I would say, it has turned bearish, and in 1 hour time frame, the chances are high that price action is going to drop. Alternative wave count suggests, this white colored line suggests that market is going to rise up one more time. Okay. Next is the spot gold. Spot gold, the trend is up. I already told you this when I did these streams sessions. I already mentioned that spot gold is going up, and it's not going to stop. The chances are high market is going to rise up even further. And look what happened. This was the triangle, this yellow color highlighted area. That's a wave triangle pattern, a bullish triangle over here. And we got a bullish triangle breakout, so market rallied up even further. Now there is a support present over here, and if price action manages to breaks below this support area, then obviously the uptrend is going to end inside XAUUSD pair. Okay. Okay. So right now the US dollar index is basically becoming weak, and rest of the other pairs they are becoming strong. Next one is the spot silver. Silver, the trend is up in spot silver. XAUDUSD pair, the chances are high price action is going to rise up more. It's not going to stop the rally. I expect more upside in spot silver. How far market is probably going to I think market is going to reach 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. I do have another resistance level at 39.1100 area. So spot silver, the trend is up. Okay, same goes with the euro dollar, the trend is up as well. Okay, and what was the next one? Let's go back to the dot screen. USDCAD. Okay, USDCAD probably trying to drop over here. Yes, you see market is trying to push lower. Yesterday we got a doji candlestick in a daily time frame. Let me zoom in. So right below this doji, below 137.20 level, then this is going to increase the odds that USDCAD is going to drop even further. For the current daily time frame candlestick looks red, it's bearish. For those who have just joined the live stream session, and if you see my analysis and you find it useful, then hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate the support. By the way, super chat is also available as well. Okay, next one is the USDCAD 4 hours. So USDCAD, and this is where we got the nice resistance, a spike over here. So the way I see, USDCAD is probably going to turn around. Let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. Yes, this was a breakout which kind of failed, and market is going to drop more. I have taken some sell trades in last few days in USDCAD currency pair, closed those trades as well with a few pips profit. Next one is the USDJPY. USDJPY, so far it's going sideways. Inside USD currency pair, I have placed a sell stop pending order at 146.67 area, and market is probably going to drop over here. So I'm waiting for a breakdown in price action. Okay. The 4 hour time frame also suggests actually two possible scenarios. One scenario is price action is going to rise up and expect a top at 148.49 level. So this is the sell trade plan over here. Wait for a bullish leg first, and then market is going to print a top. Okay. The second idea is we have this green color zone down over here, the support, and a break below this support area is going to provide us a further push to the downside. Okay. And US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. So if you take a look at 1 hour time frame, I've highlighted the first impulse wave leg over here. This looks like to me the first leg, and now market is moving in some sort of a small trading range, and these things usually break to the, so expect one more bearish leg over here. So I'm basically waiting for the price action to fill the sell stop pending order. Okay. Inside US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. Let's see what's going on in pound yen. It's moving up. The GBPJPY, it's moving up, and here we go. Yes, it's going up, and we could get further upside. This is where we got the overlap. The overlapping basically suggests that the drop in price action, that was just a corrective price action. Okay. And expect more upside, one more leg to the upside. Let me open up one more chart of GBPJPY currency pair. I'm going to check out the rain. Okay, 1 hour, it's trying to turn bullish over here. In 15 minutes time frame, it's already up. Move this one over here. So GBPJPY uptrend going on, even in a 15 minutes time frame. The 1 hour is also bullish over here. So this is the support. As long as price action is taken above the support area, the trend is up and we might get further upside. A good idea is to wait for a pullback in price action and then look for some sort of a buy trade plan, whatever you want to name it. So let me write it down over here. This is the buy trade plan in GBPJPY currency pair. You can further find it out with the help of a Fibonacci retracement level. And I think price action is going to hit the 50% area. 0.50. So somewhere around this area, a market is probably going to provide us a pullback, and then from these lows look for a potential buy trade. Use your own day trading strategies. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website. Next one is the Euro Yen. JPY, it's going up. Okay. Yes, on a short-term basis, market is trying to rise up over here. In daily time frame, I do have a sell trade setup. In 4 hour, we could get a bullish leg over here, but the way I see, market is going to create some sort of a symmetrical triangle pattern over here. So it is going to take some time for the price action to complete the pattern first, then expect a drop inside euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Okay, so this is the sell trade plan in euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next one is the Swiss franc versus JPY currency pair. The trend is up in Swiss franc versus Japanese yen currency pair. I'm waiting for the price action to drop over here first. If you check out the 4 hour, price action is actually going down in 4 hour time frame, especially as long as price action is not going to break above 183.48 area. It's still a downtrend. Euro AUD, the trend looks bullish. However, wait for some sort of drop in price action first. So here's a 4 hour time frame, and this is the buy trade plan. For those who are interested to look for a potential buy trading opportunity, this is the euro versus Australian dollar currency pair potential buy trade plan. So wait for the price action to drop first. Do not buy at the current market price. Do not sell as well. It's an uptrend in 4 hours, so a good idea is to only look for buy trades. Next one is the WTI crude oil. The crude oil trend is down. Okay, and the pullback is over. Looks like to me it's over. It's done. So the WTI crude oil, it's going to drop more. It's a clear downtrend going on. Use your own day trading strategies to try to short the WTI crude oil. The forecast is bearish in oil. Even if you check out the 15 minutes frame, a nice downtrend going on. You can use the rainbow trading strategy to look for sell trades. and or hopefully you have your own day trading strategies that you can use to short the market. So there's a clear downtrend going WTI crude oil. Let's see what's going on with the USDJPY. USDJPY is trying to drop. Okay. Yes, it looks like to me we got a nice downtrend in US dollar yen currency pair, but market is turning sideways, and that is the reason why I have placed my sell stop pending order at 146.67 area. Okay, this is the current analysis, and if you have any questions, feel free to type inside the chat box. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm now going to do the New York market session. After, let's say, after 5.5 hours, probably 6 hours time.